So today I'm going to show you how to use the overlay feature on your ViewSonic board. That means that maybe you want to use a slide deck that you already have and you just want to be able to write on it. You don't want to save anything. That is called an overlay. That means that you have your screen, they're dropping a layer on top that you're writing on, okay? So in order to do that, first you have to grab the slide deck that you want to use. I've already gone into iReady. You can download as a PowerPoint or you can copy to your Google Drive. I put a copy in my Google Drive, so I have that slide deck right here, okay? In order to be able to use the overlay feature, I need to open my ViewSonic software. And then I am going to use my Windows toggle button, which is right here, the little 4 squares that looks like a window. This is going to allow me to move between the ViewSonic software and my Windows desktop. So now I can go back to my browser that I had my slide deck on. I can present my slideshow. And you're going to see I have this new little menu bar here on the left. You can move it wherever you want, okay, just by clicking and dragging. The My with the little cloud means it's going to take you back to the ViewSonic software that you just opened. This one is a screenshot. This one is your pen tool, okay? So if I am using the pen tool, I have a pen with black, red, or blue, a highlighter, a laser pen, an eraser, a trash can, okay? So let's say that I'm going and I'm just wanting to, look at vocabulary words. I can now go and write directly on this slide, okay? Now, let's say that I want to get rid of this. I don't want the last one. I have the undo button. It'll take that away. My other option is the eraser to go in and erase it. My other option is the trash can, which will trash every annotation on the screen. So if I have, and I want to get rid of everything, I just use the trash can. Okay? One thing I've noticed is that while this annotation menu is open, you lose functionality with your slideshow of being able to move between slides. So you have to push the X button and make sure that there is no mark on the page. You will notice it still doesn't work, okay? There you go. So you've got to do a swipe. There is no tap, a swipe, or you can use your keyboard, okay? So if I'm doing this and I'm having my class discussion, which doesn't belong, 1 ticket for $1.80, $9 for 5 tickets, I'm not going to do the math right now, but I can show you. You could have students or yourself go and cross them off. And then you can circle and choose the correct answer. That's the way that this overlay works. Just a reminder, if you want to be able to move from slides or like through your slide deck from here, you have to have no annotations on the page, so you have to trash them all. You have to X out of the pen tool and swipe. And even then, the swipe sometimes is a little finicky, but try to be patient. So that is how we use the overlay feature in the ViewBoard software to write on top of a pre-existing slideshow.